Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change date and time in BIOS on HP Envy X360. To do it, you need to be in the BIOS, which if you don't know how to enter, there is a video on our channel on how to do it, and once that is done, just make sure you are in the main, then go to system time or system date. I'm gonna click on system time, then I'm gonna open the keyboard, and to move between hour, minutes and seconds, you need to click on enter, just like that. So I'm gonna select, then to change the hours, click on F6 to move down or F5 to move up, just like that. Then I'm gonna click on enter, change the minutes as well. Enter, change the seconds as well, then enter to approve. You can do the same with the date, so let's click on date. Now just select the month, day and year in the same way. Then click on enter to approve. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.